And last but certainly not least is number 15. This is another CPC-TC problem. All right, I need to show that this angle here, which belongs to this triangle. So let me go ahead and draw that out. All right, this triangle, whose name is B at the bottom, C, and then A. I got to show that that's congruent, all right, to this other triangle here containing that second angle. All right, and that second triangle is this one. Okay, and it ends at B, goes to D, and then goes all the way up to E. Okay, so I got overlapping triangles here. I traced it out. I separated them. My next step is take my givens. Okay, AB is congruent to EB. AB is congruent to EB. Check. Sorry about that. BC. Okay, BC is congruent to BD. Check. And that's all they give me. That's all they give me. If you're lost, that's okay. Let's trace it out in two different colors. Right? This left triangle is this blue one, and then my right triangle will be this green one. Okay? And then I'm looking for an overlap of colors, and I see it right down here, is that I make an angle with the green, and then I also make that same angle with the blue. Okay? This angle here is the same as this angle here. So angle B is congruent to angle B. And that's the reflexive. Okay? And I'm going to call it by its three-letter name in the proof, but I know to use CPC-TC for what they're asking me to prove, I'm going to say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EBD by the side angle side postulate. Side angle side. Okay? So let's go ahead and write it up. Statement 1, let's start with the givens. AB is congruent to EB. I knew that because it was given. All right? There's a side. 2, BC is congruent to BD. I knew that because it was given. Okay, and there's another side. And then down here, I went to these angles here. So I'm going to list my third fact, which is an angle. And it's angle ABC. Right? Angle ABC is congruent to angle EBD. EBD. And how did I know that? Well, that's the reflexive property. Okay? Well, now that I've got my three facts, I'm ready to make my triangle congruence statement. That triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EBD via the side angle side postulate. And then 5, now I'm allowed to say that these angles up here, right, these here, well, they're corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay, so angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, and my reason is, well, they're corresponding parts of congruent triangles, so they're congruent. All right, angle A and angle E. Angle A, my first, congruent to angle E, my first, those corresponding parts. Great, thank you.